I have a new item to show you that I just found. It is a Bluetooth speaker. This is really good for outdoor use because it's water resistant, portable, and it also has a very big bass sound. Let's take a closer look at it. As you can see here, it's a very attractive design. This is the silver. I believe it also comes in blue and in green. And in the underneath part, if you want to plug directly into your device, you can do that. That's also for charging. And then that covers that, kind of keeps it water resistant there. Here's a look at it on the side. So very good looking. Oh, it also comes with a very nice little travel bag, so when you want to take it to travel, because that's really what it's designed for, is outdoor use and to take when you want to go out and about. You got a neat little bag there. I like that. That's very handy. I have already paired this with my cell phone, so I'm going to play some music. And as you see, it's really loud. A lot of big sound from such a little speaker. So I'm absolutely thrilled with this. Price-wise, very nice. And also because it's water resistant, this makes this really good for taking out and going out for whatever you want to do outside. That's the big plus on that. Well, overall, I'm extremely happy with this speaker. I like the way it looks. I really like that it's water resistant. I like that it comes in a nice little bag. Price-wise, very good. So, yes, I'm happy I got it. That's it for my review today. Thanks for watching. Bye.